for this example, I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and I will choose two photos from Canva. So I will go to elements, and here I will share with you the recently used photos of mine, and you can also use the same or use different examples from here. So the first photo which I have used is woman meditating. Okay, so it is free to you for Canva Pro users, and the second one is big golden Buddha. So I will merge these two images or blend these two images. So first I will use this image and just set it in the canvas. You don't need to fill the whole of the image to blend it. And in the right side, this is in the left side, and in the right side I will use this image, and make sure it is in slightly moved to the right side, because you don't want this hand to get cropped. Okay, so after that, when it is done, I will just hold the upper layer, and I will go to apps, and after going to apps, here I will select image blender, and I will select the first app here. So I will select the meditating image here and click on blend selected image, and I will just rotate it here, and I will just move the cursor to make it blend, and it will look something like this. Okay, you can just increase the strength of the blend by moving the cursor here, but I think 25 looks best here, and just move the cursor here to make it more blend, and after that just click on save, and your image will be saved in the upload section. So you will come to uploads here and just delete this image and upload it here. And as you can see, the blending image is here in ready, and you can also make the same easily in Canva. So use the app as long as it is free, because as you could find that many of the apps inside Canva are getting attracted to the paid version. So make sure you use the most till it's free to use. Hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you learned something out of this tutorial. Thank you.